Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code is a revolutionary law which changes how debts are recovered. Under this new law, a new breed of professionals have come into being. These professionals are called insolvency professionals. Insolvency professionals or IPs are cornerstone for success of new law. They and their position is seminal to success of insolvency proceedings under the new law. IPs are duly registered by Insolvency Professional Agencies or IPS and Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, that is IBBI. IP or insolvency professionals are licensed quasi-administrators. They perform the roles of interim resolution professional or IRP, resolution professional or RP, and that of liquidator in insolvency, resolution and bankruptcy process as defined under the code. They have vast gamut of responsibility on them, which includes expertise in finance, law, management, and business administration. Being an insolvency professional is a tough job. You as an insolvency professional is required to supervise resolution process, manage affairs and assets of the debtor during the process. This requires dedicated and disciplined approach with single-minded focus on creating a win-win resolution plan. That is your focus. You must remember that you will be dealing with lot of big names, people who have been stalwarts of the industries but unfortunately are facing bad phase. You have to develop interpersonal approach to address their egos and issues. Insolvency professional is an individual. However, you are backed by the institution you are working with. For example, if we take case of Mr. Anuj Jain, who is insolvency professional in JP Infratech. He is backed by his company KPMG to provide secretarial assistance. So things are daunting, but with good team in place, things are achievable. As an insolvency professional, you have to sit down with the committee of creditors and finalize the resolution plan. You will also chair meetings of committee of creditors. You need to remember that your object is to maximize the value of asset and to help committee of creditors to come out with sustainable resolution plan. The most important aspect of functioning of an insolvency professional is to keep the company afloat and make critical payments. This is a challenge. Cash flow will be drying as nobody will be willing to extend credit to a company undergoing insolvency process. That's natural. This is a real challenge for an insolvency profession. How to keep company afloat with drying cash flow. This is where you will be tested as an insolvency professional. This will be a test for you for your out-of-box thinking. In the subsequent parts of the course, I shall be discussing how IRP, RP are appointed, what role they play, and how they are the linchpin of entire insolvency proceedings.